Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm Windows 7 with Service Pack 1 and whether you need 32-bit or 64-bit Chrome. Once done, download the official installer and save it to Downloads. Make sure to close heavy programs so the install proceeds smoothly, then right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. This avoids permission prompts and incomplete installs. You'll see a brief progress bar. Let it finish. After the installer completes, Chrome will open automatically ready for your next steps. Once Chrome opens, decide whether to import bookmarks and saved passwords from Internet Explorer. The import tool appears quickly and saves time. Next, sign in with your Google account to enable sync. This stores bookmarks, history, and passwords across devices. Make sure to set Chrome as your default browser if you prefer it. Go to Settings and confirm default status. Also review privacy and cookie prompts, adjust the home page and new tab behavior, and install one essential extension at a time to prevent performance slowdowns. You're nearly done. Pin Chrome to the taskbar and create a desktop shortcut for fast access. Then go to Settings about Chrome to force an update, staying current fixes many bugs. Make sure extensions are limited to what you need to keep performance snappy. If pages fail to load or crashes happen, first clear the cache and cookies. Disable all extensions to isolate conflict. If problems persist, uninstall Chrome fully and reinstall. This often resolves corrupted profiles or broken updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.